makes brushing so much fun. Nice. Guys, come here and tell me your review. Tell me what you think. 10 stars? Oh, he's gonna break dance. Oh, 20 stars. That's a ringing endorsement. So much frustration trying to get the kids to brush 2 times a day, and now they do it without me even asking.
Even the flossers are fun.
The flossers are fun.
This is what it looks like when it charges.
Oh yeah.
We can change it. That's so cool.
Is that cool or what?
This is very cool. Okay.
Let's get some toothpaste on there. I love that it lights up. It's so cool. And you can dance and wiggle it around.
Let me see what's in.
Nicely done. Wiggling it around, making sure you get all those teeth. Nice. This makes brushing so much fun. Guys, come here and tell me your review. Tell me what you think. What do you give? What kind of stars do you give it?
1,000,000 out of 1.
1,000,000 out of 1? You mean?
No, 1,000,000 out of 10.
10 stars? Oh, he's gonna break dance. Oh, 20 stars. That's a ringing endorsement. You know, there aren't many products I get really excited about, but this is one of them because it just makes parenting so much easier and so much more fun when your kids like doing something that is generally a bore and a chore. So, way to go, AutoBrush.